Yeah, up here I met Collin the Sparrow. Beautiful day this morning. As you can see, we got some sun out there happening. We're gonna go out and hit a Monarch mountain right now. Got a little bit of snow hopefully last night. We'll see. First day of the season. We're gonna go rock it. Ow! Ugh. This is where we stayed last night. Little condo rental deal that we have. There's the stick of mystery. Nice. Oh yeah, buddy. Hey, Colorado Ken here. Up here once again with Collin the Sparrow. This is the first day, first chairlift ride up at Monarch. Season just opened right now, and this is what we're looking at.
Bluebird day.
Bluebird day. Got a little bit of fresh powder. Just a dusting, but it's perfect for the first day out. Excellent. Yeah, excellent day up here at Monarch. Rock or tree. Rocks and trees. Ow! So we are out here attempting our first tree trail of the season. I've got Collin the Sparrow right over there. What's going on here is that there's not nearly enough fresh powder on the mountain. This is what we're dealing with. Logs, things just poking up out of the... You can see that there's an inch, not even that, of snow on top of this log. And it is like that all the way, everywhere underneath. So major hazards underneath. The idea is just to watch your step and pretty much try to float over all of it. In reality, probably shouldn't be doing a tree trail until a little more snow comes. But we couldn't wait. Ah!